how parents can log in to the Home Access Center. Go to springisd.org. Once the website loads, we'll come over here to My Spring ISD. Click on the My Spring ISD orange banner, and this screen will pop up. Here you will put in your username and your password and click Sign In. Once you click Sign In, you will see some of the apps: Schoology, Resources, Instructional, HAC, Home Access Center, and Follow Us Online. Click Home Access Center. On the Home Access Center for Parents, you will be able to check attendance, classes, and grades of your student.